How to filter results on Shein account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Shein app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. Now this kind of page will appear. At the top you will find this option of search. Type in their product name that you were searching for. Here I'm gonna search for skirt. Now the results will appear. Now how to filter it? At the top right corner, you will find this option of filter. Tap on it. Under filter, you will find different sections as product type, category, size, color, and so on. You have to select all of these options. Firstly, select the product type. I'm gonna set it to top rated. Now move to next option, category, and select it. I'm gonna select women clothing. Now move towards next option, size, and select it. Go ahead and select next option, color. I'm gonna set it to multi. Go ahead and select all of these options. After you filter all of these options, you can tap on done given at the bottom right corner and results will appear. This is how you filter results on Shein account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.